LABD, TZA, LABD, YANG, YANG, LABD.
All right, good morning, everybody. Let's get going. Had a last minute um, emergency come up yesterday. I couldn't do the morning show, so I apologize for that. Anyway, we are back and not seeing a whole lot. So let me tell you what's going on so far. The only thing I have on right now is I put a little bit of TZA on. Have a little bit of TZA on. It's a little pricey stock, but I'm thinking I am looking at. I've got a couple targets here. I have a 72.
SCO,
And let's see what else. We have a 72's pretty. Couple of them projecting 72. That must be a pretty strong target. 72. Also have an 80.
SCO,
All right. Let's see what TZA does for us. Watching GRPN. May do a little trading on GRPN. Spread's a little bit better, but I need to get more volume. There's just no volume out there right now on GRPN. Even TZA is really thin, so. But you only have a penny spread on it. Thin volume though, but you can get a little bit. Just I only have a couple hundred shares on. I am not seeing a whole lot yet this morning. Let's look at some of our indices. Really mixed on the indices. I do have an HF2 short on the mini Russell. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and start a position here on the mini Russell short. Let's look at the mini Russell. Alright, I'm going to take a light position here, mini Russell short. I'm looking at a target. Let's try 1874 profit target. And this is going to be an HF2 short. And if we do come back up, probably 89 is a good reversal. All right. Okay, let's look at the mini NASDAQ. Not seeing anything on the mini NASDAQ. And let's take a look at the E-mini S&P. Not seeing much on the E-mini S&P. All right, looks like one of those quiet Fridays, but then again, it could heat up here after the opening, so let's just watch it. Right now, the only thing I have on, a little bit of TZA, and I am short I'm also short the mini Russell. in the S&P. Small Dow's down 30.
VXX. SCO.
All right. Looks like we're gonna have a quiet morning. Not seeing a whole lot of stocks moving right now. Little bit of TZA. I don't like that. No, I don't like UPT. TZA.
VXX.
Alright, that's where I'm long from on TZA. 65, 27.65.
SCO.
Also keep an eye on GRPN. Probably gonna buy a little bit of GRPN. could run into some pretty good selling up here around 50. So right now, I do have a buy on GRPN, but sitting at 38, showing a target up here at
TWN.
48, 10 cents move, 4 cent move, 10 cent move.
SCO.
But very thin on the volume, just nothing there to even get into. And you got a huge spread on this thing. You've got about an 80-cent spread, way too much. So I think GRPN's going to heat up a little bit, but right now you can't get into it. All right, I want to keep an eye on TZA. Yeah, you saw that, Glenn? Yeah, I had a nice little trade on that mini Russell. Short the mini Russell right now. Let's check it. Yeah, let's check the mini Russell. Still short the mini Russell. That yellow line is where I'm short. Target 74.
SCO.
TZA. Let's check on my JDST. Haven't been in JDST for a while. Last few days. I'm not liking JDST right now, so we'll continue to keep an eye on JDST. How about YING? That was the other one that I did a lot of trading in recently. YANG. Clean up this chart a little bit. $0.02 spread, volume not too bad, 216. may have an opportunity on YANG, but the way I'm looking at it right now, it looks like it may want to come down a little bit further. Could see what, maybe 10 even. We'll see. Right now, I could definitely see it coming down to probably, it could go through 10, could come down even further. So I'm going to hold off on that, but I'm going to keep an eye on YANG. Not confident I'll be trading it today, though. The auto workers are officially on strike. Oh boy. Yeah, I mean, I think that could be bearish for us. But let's just see how the market digests it. I mean, all right, just looking at a few other active stocks, UEC. Let's look at SCO. That popped up on our radar over here. SCO. Scanner you see over here on the left here, Stream 1. That's just any stocks making new highs. But it doesn't necessarily mean it's a tradable stock. Volume's decent on it. All right, I'll keep it on the radar. I'm not ready to jump into that. SEO. SCO.
SCO.
Alright, see if we can get a bounce on this TZA. Still on TZA.
SCO.
All right, so we're about 2 minutes out here before, about 4 minutes out before the opening bell. 2 minutes out here before I switch over to Discord. I want to thank everybody for joining us. If you want to learn a little bit more about my trading approach,
VX.
you can find that at
FAZ.
my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or visit my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. I do trade a little bit of everything. We do some stocks, obviously. Do
TZI.
indices, one of my favorites. Do a little bit of
TWN.
commodities, a little bit right now in the morning on the currencies, foreign currencies. Wow, TZA is really starting to heat up. All right, looks like TZA.
VXX.
TZA did hit my first level. Looking for the second level on TZA. Take another glance here at the mini Russell. I am short the mini Russell. Mini Russell starting to plunge. 1874. I have a resting order to get out of 1874. All right, that's going to wrap it up. So everybody have a great day. If you have any questions, visit my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. And if you need to talk to me, you can reach me via the website. And that's going to do it. Everybody have a safe weekend. Relax, enjoy it, and hopefully we'll see everybody back Monday morning. I think we're going to have a down day today in the Dow. So let's see. All right, y'all take care.
TWN.